Okay, so we've come to a weird place on the hydrant where it looks kind of odd, and so we need this to flatten out. So in order to do that, we're going to take, I actually used the tail from the bottom and just threaded it all the way up till it came out here at about round 15. And then I'm going to thread it up through round 15 and come back about round 11. And pull. And then I'm just going to go down through the next stitch. And pull tight. And you're just going to go around just like this. And then down through the next stitch. Until you've gone all the way around. And this will hold down the lip on your hydrant, much like the bottom that we just finished. Almost all the way. So you're just going to go all the way around till it meets on the other side. And pull it tight after every stitch so that it really tugs that space closed. And it'll be fine if there's some stuffing in there. It'll just tighten up with everything else. Okay, so then when you pinch it, it's nice and even. Same with our bottom here. So we have a nice looking hydrant, finally. So we're gonna thread this back through the bottom again real quick and then tie it off. And add the last piece and you'll be all done.